G'day, here's a beginner's parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted and the white, as you can see, there's a reflection from the lights. Okay, I've zoomed in a little bit. It's not super high quality, any of this material. Might cut a little stone for you. Some of the other pieces are interesting piece on the end there. The rest of it's not so much anything in particular, but in saying that, it's worthwhile practicing following the lines of colour. So when you get some good opal, then you've had the experience of following the lines, and you won't wreck hopefully a good stone. In here, it's a nice bit of colour in the end. It's hard to tell what the rest of it is. It's covered in. There's another bar of colour here. Might find a little long skinny stone here. The rest of that's just basically a bit of potch. Same with this, although might be a seam running through here, so it'd be worthwhile going down on it. This bit here will probably come off. Got a little stone in here. Last bit's again. The opal goes through here probably. So grind that down and see what you've got underneath. You might end up with something. Colour showing there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.